LangGraph implements a streaming mechanism to surface real-time updates, enabling applications to display output progressively and improve user experience by reducing perceived latency. This specific artifact demonstrates the stream method with stream mode equals values, which yields the full state of the graph after each execution step, providing a complete snapshot of the state at every iteration. The upcoming code snippet will reveal how the stream method is invoked with a dictionary input containing a topic key and how the stream mode parameter is configured to values to stream the entire state after each step. This setup ensures that each chunk printed represents the full state of the graph, allowing for comprehensive tracking of state evolution throughout the execution.
For chunk and graph stream. Topic, ice cream. Stream mode equals values. Print chunk.
This code demonstrates streaming full state values after each step in a LangGraph execution. The stream method is called with stream mode equals values, which means it will yield the complete state of the graph after each processing step, rather than just the incremental updates. This approach is useful when you need to see the cumulative effect of each operation on the entire state, providing a snapshot of all current values at each iteration. The trade-off here is between granularity and overhead. Streaming full values gives you complete visibility into the state at each step, which is helpful for debugging or when downstream processes need the full context. However, it may produce more data than necessary if you only care about specific changes. In contrast, using stream mode equals updates would only show the deltas, reducing data volume but requiring you to track state changes manually. The choice depends on whether you prioritize completeness or efficiency in your streaming scenario. Let's break it down.
For chunk and graph stream.
Iterates over chunks of data produced by the graph stream method. The loop processes each chunk as it becomes available from the streaming operation, allowing for incremental handling of the graph's output rather than waiting for the complete result.
Topic, ice cream.
Creates a dictionary entry with the key topic and the value ice cream. This represents a simple key-value pair where the topic is explicitly set to ice cream.
Stream mode equals values.
Sets the streaming mode to values, which configures the output to stream only the final values rather than intermediate steps or metadata.
Print chunk.
Prints the value of the variable chunk to the standard output. Streaming full state values with stream mode equals values gives you complete visibility into the graph state at each step, which is particularly useful for debugging or when downstream processes require full context. The trade-off here is clear. You get comprehensive snapshots of the state evolution, but at the cost of potentially higher data volume compared to streaming only updates. This approach is ideal when you need to track the cumulative effect of each operation on the entire state, rather than just incremental changes. The loop processes each chunk as it becomes available, allowing for real-time handling of the graph's output, which enhances user experience by reducing perceived latency.
The stream spits values like a vending machine with a hiccup. Each chunk a surprise behind the glass.